Success factors vary according to the goals and areas you pursue, but in general, success factors can be summarized in the following points. 1. A clear vision and goal. You must clearly define your goals and be aware of what you want to achieve. 2. Determination and determination. You must be determined to achieve your goals and adhere to your convictions and principles. 3. Hard work and perseverance. You must work hard, diligently, and keep working until you achieve your goals. 4. Creativity and innovation. You must be creative and look for new solutions and innovative ideas to achieve your goals. 5. The ability to learn and develop. You must be willing to learn more and develop your skills and knowledge to achieve your goals. 6. Patience and endurance. You must show patience and endurance and deal with difficulties and challenges with a positive spirit and self-confidence. 7. Passion and enthusiasm. You must be enthusiastic and fond of what you do and feel the passion and enthusiasm to achieve your goals. 8. Social relationships. You must treat others with honesty and respect and build good relationships with the important people in your life. 9. Honesty and integrity. You must be honest in everything you do and deal with others with honesty and transparency. 10. Self-confidence. You must be confident in yourself and your abilities and deal with challenges and difficulties with confidence and positivity.